Hello everybody, it's Spencer and I'm glad you're joining me today. We're going to do a little farm scene today. Okay, so let me start by showing you the photograph that we're working from. Okay, there's a little light area there and then this right here. And then of course, you know, you got the shadowed area on this gravity flow wagon back here. Just going to start in up here with the sky color. So I'm just going to start popping that in here right now. Just take that orange and go over the tractor, because that tractor's kind of rusty. Okay, so let's get some more orange going on in here. A little more orange, a little more red. I want this to be pretty vibrant. All going to be blue down here. Now I'm just going to go just loosely across the tops of them. Where the light is reflecting off of them. The other window's kind of grayer, but I'm just going to keep it about the same. Right now I'm thinking maybe deepen this up back here a little. Just enough to make it settle down. See how the pigment all settles there in a ridge? A little bit of softening that edge right there. Just enough to make it stand out, be interesting. Not too much of that though. So I hope you have enjoyed this.